Here in Seattle, pizza is a treat. But at Windy City Pie, they're not just serving up any pizza. This is Chicago-style pizza. But what exactly does that mean?
I mean, it's definitely thicker. It's hearty pizza.
A layer of the sauce, and then some of the toppings, and then a little bit more sauce.
It's cheesy on the outside, really crispy.
It's our favorite pizza.
Deep dish, Chicago style. What does that mean exactly?
Well, it means a lot of different things to a lot of different people.
Owner David Lichterman was inspired by certain styles of deep dish and tavern-style pizzas found in and around Chicago. Using that love and the local bounty found in Washington, he created a menu that's unlike anything else found in Seattle.
Even people from Chicago who aren't familiar with this style of deep dish pizza, it's like, cool, like, what is this? Help me understand.
It's both decadent and fresh.
It's like something that the Midwest has that not a lot of other places have. Probably one of the better pizzas I've ever had in my life.
It's always funny when little kids see a deep dish pizza for the first time and they're like, what? Like, where's the cheese? And it's like, okay.
Yeah, it's in there. You're gonna love it.
It's in there.
Don't miss later in the show when David and I make the Windy City favorite deep dish, the Sweet Pete.
Sweet Pete sounds like something my mother would say. Like if I did something wrong, Sweet Pete.
Jiminy G. Willikers.